Wychavon in South Worcestershire is already an enviable place to live. The district has a rich natural environment and historic heritage. Unemployment is low and the population of just under 117,000 people suffers less crime and lives longer than the UK norm. But there are challenges too, including an annual shortage of affordable housing. One of the big issues is balancing the need for new development with protecting the environment that makes Wychavon such an attractive place. During the last decade, the district has been affected by major flooding events, and there are limited transport options in rural parts of the district. Agencies from across the public, private, community and voluntary sectors have come together to develop a plan to make Wychavon an even better place for everyone. This community strategy sets out the vision for the area, which will be achieved by everyone working together. The district's 3 local strategic partnerships, centred around the main towns and surrounding rural areas, are delivering a wide range of projects that make a real difference to local people. These partnerships will play a major part in turning the vision into a reality across Wychavon.
We are at the number 8 Arts Centre here in Pershore, a wonderful example of what can be achieved by people working together. But we want to make Wychavon a better place to live in, to work in and to visit. But the council can't do that alone. We've consulted widely on what people want for the future. We've set those goals, so now it's up to all of us to work together to achieve those goals.
The community strategy's first theme is making sure that communities are safe and feel safe through initiatives like the Community Warden Scheme. Wychavon is a relatively low crime area, and resident surveys indicate that people now feel safer than they did 3 years ago. The local Community Safety Partnership is delivering a range of projects to make the district safer still.
The Safe and Sound Security Scheme is one of the practical projects that we run in Wychavon. We visit burglary victims and other vulnerable residents and install free of charge security equipment such as alarms, locks and bolts, spy holes, and I feel that this really gives residents an improved quality of life.
This is one of 6 houses involved in the Droitwich Spa Area LSP's Hot House project, which aims to promote affordable warmth in homes both in the town and countryside. As well as contributing to the strategy's second goal of working towards a better environment, the project also tackles health and fuel poverty issues.
The Hot House project, it's thinking globally and acting locally, whereby we're going to introduce innovative new technologies for our residents and practical schemes where they can reduce their fuel bills and hopefully make their homes more efficient.
Goal 3 is economic success that can be shared by all. The Evesham Area LSP is hard at work promoting both the countryside and the businesses of the Vale of Evesham, with a Vale Trail brochure and Evesham Food Festival. Meanwhile, one of the Pershore Area LSP's projects to support the local economy is the Agenda Businesswomen's Group. The group was set up to encourage learning, networking and cross-marketing opportunities between local businesses.
Agenda's been a real boost to the local women in Pershore area. It's a social event, but with an ideal opportunity for networking opportunities. I didn't realise until I went to Agenda what a big part local women play in business, and it's brought us all together.
When Wychavon residents are asked what concerns them, not surprisingly, health and fitness always comes out as a major priority. Therefore, theme 4 of the community strategy is about creating a healthier, happier population and better access to healthcare for people of all ages. One of the key priorities is getting more people living a healthy lifestyle to prevent later problems.
Walking is one of the most easy and simple forms of exercise, and we've been improving the paths to encourage people to come out and walk more. We've got some volunteers trained up to lead the walking group, and through encouraging and supporting people to be active, we're helping them to stay healthy and well.
Wychavon has a higher than average percentage of families. In fact, nearly a quarter of the population is less than 20 years old. This makes meeting the needs of children and young people a crucial element of the strategy. This youth shelter has given younger residents in the village of Ombersley a sense of involvement in their own community and a place to socialise with each other. It's typical of a range of projects across the district, from play schemes to drop-in centres and training opportunities.
Well, there are no facilities for the age group 12 to 16 for the youngsters in the village. So what I've done, I've gone along and spoken to the youngsters and said, well, what would you really like? So what we've come up with is a youth shelter where they can socialise, hang out, chill out, and basically just do what youngsters do.
The sixth and final goal is perhaps the most all-encompassing: stronger communities. Under this umbrella, partners are tackling housing, inclusion, leisure, culture and transport. Key issues, big subjects, but as ever, it can all be brought down to grassroots. Like these children, who've had their say in turning an old diseased tree in Pershaw's Abbey Park into a work of art to benefit the whole community.
It doesn't matter whether we're creating things for young people to do, whether we're looking at rural transport or affordable homes. We have to work together to shape the future of Wychavon, and we've proved that this can be done. We've set the vision of a safer, greener, healthier, stronger and more beautiful Wychavon by 2010. Now it's time to get on with the hard work of turning that into reality.